Check this out. This is so cool. That's totally awesome, dude.
That's cool.
Mm-hmm.
Like we're on a train. It's a couple of pins. You think you could do a table like this?
I don't know. Would that be horseshoe proof
I don't know.
if we're here?
I would think it'd be on there if it was.
It's the railroad. Oh, wow. That is this little section here. Wow.
Right here too on this one.
I'd love a house like that. Mm. Wow, look at a mug. Hey, sup? Fabrics. Alright, hold on. No. Stop touching everything. Wow, look at those.
23 million pounds of bacon were shipped easily.
Jake, fish? Something's a little fishy around here.
Rebecca,
Huh?
it says here that 23 million pounds of bacon was shipped eastward from Pittsburgh when it remained in 1843. It's a
Mmm.
lot of bacon.
Bacon. Hit the nail on the head. Oh, look at the nails. Awesome.
Some herbs.
What is this supposed to? Is this chicken? Oh, this is ham. Apples. Hmm?
180,000 pounds of feathers.
How many feathers is 580,000 pounds? That's ridiculous. Oh, here's some fur. Beaver fur. Bread. Oh, nope, this is cheese. Cheese. And some cotton. No, wool. Wool. We got some tobacco. Here's some tobacco. Shoe bags and belts. Leather. Jeez. 50,000 pounds of leather. Carpeting. I'd love a carpet bag. Lead. Okay, so cargo. Jacob. Huh? Oh, cool. It's muted. Hannah. It's a muted bell. The beds. A little table. That's clever. So they've got this really cute little boardwalk that you can walk on that goes down to, I can see it through the trees. There's a viewing area, I believe it is. Something. This is really pretty. Found a building. Jake says it's an engine house. So we're gonna go check it out. Log hewing. Boardwalk. Inclined plane number 6. Oh.
Oh, it's open. We can kind of see this feel the tracks end. They would have kept going that direction down to, I believe, a bridge.
So this is engine house number 6. Basically the trains would pull the canal boat up the inclines.
What's this?
Number 5 is the horizontal sheave and weight well. That
So
was
the
where the
well with
tow
weights in
rope
it.
was, with the weights to pull that up.
Must be either not.
Look at the spring over here. They're a lot wider than a regular train. Hey guys, so Jake and I are at Allegheny Railroad Canal something. I'll have to look it up, and I'll put the actual description below. But it's pretty cool here. Very cool. We just checked out the engine house and the rails that lead down to the canal. This is a carpet of nature. See what I did there? So you've got these little square blocks that have little holes in it. It looks like a piece of rail or something. What happened? Oh, neat. So cool, look at that. Look at all those drill holes, bore holes in the rocks. So we're leaving the engine house number 6, and we're gonna go in this direction following Jake. And we're gonna see what's over here. Lost a tree, big tree. Oh wow, look at that. On the other side of the tracks.
I guess from the engine house right here, you can see the tracks coming out, and the lemon houses right on the other side over there.
Hold on. I understand the stone cutting area now. They cut the stones for the couplings for the track. Oh, so we found a window. I see a wall on the other side of the door. You're wearing a hat. The other side of the door over there.
Oh, it's got a basement. Look down.
I've got paint speckles on. Alright. That's the best that I can do. So behind me is the engine house number 6. And over here is where they would have kept going with the tracks and taking the canal boats. And over here is what's called Lemon House. And we're gonna have to look into why it's called Lemon House. Neither Jake nor I are too sure. Just checking out these cool tracks, the couplings on the cut stone. It's so cool. But it is very hard to walk on these stones because they wiggle. So we're gonna go. There's a road down there. Well, Jake went to go check out the other window first, so I'm okay with waiting. I'm gonna go over here and see what's over here. If the trucks would have kept going that way, it would be really cool if, I guess there is a little path, but then it goes that way and that way. It doesn't keep going that way. It would be really cool if they continued the path that way and made it a rail trail. Now we're gonna go over here and check out Lemon House. There's a 2-lane road down there, and there's actually a gate down there. If you go that way, you go back to the parking lot. Wow, are these lilac bushes? They're beautiful. Wish they still had flowers on them. She had the door and a little porch, which would most likely be the kitchen or servant's door. A yard with a picket fence. I love the picket fences. You can't even look in the windows. Oh, that's upsetting. And thank you, COVID. The building is closed. And it looks like none of the windows is accessible, unfortunately. There's a big open area here. Beautiful. We're gonna go check out these plaques, and then we'll walk around the back side of the building. Okay. So this just talks about the different levels of incline. So incline number 6. I'm not sure which way is which right now. Give me a sec, I'll find out which way is east and which way is... Well, I guess that way is east. So that tunnel that we saw would most likely be somewhere here in between this point and this point. So we'll have to check that out. They have an audio tour that you can do on your phone. That's pretty cool. Let's see. Okay, here's the Lemon House. And yes, Samuel Lemon and his wife Jean moved here in 1826 and built a log tavern. So that's why it is named the Lemon House. It is named after the lemons. The lemons. And this is the Lemon House next to the rails and engine house number 6. So Samuel Lemon up here on the hillside had a coal operation going, a 4-foot thick vein of coal supplied the coal to the steam engines and apparently made him a very, very wealthy man. I'm gonna walk down there with Jake real quick and get some good shots of this direction. Pretty good. A beautiful view. So there's the engine house. And the Lemon House. And over here is where the coal mine would have been, somewhere over here. And then that goes west. Jake is checking out the front of the house. I should walk around it, but whatever. Or the back of the house? I think that's the back of the house. And I'm gonna walk this way and check out this side of the house. Pretty blue. I see a little crack in the blinds. Can I see through? No, not really. There's a nest right there. I hear him. Where is he? See, little fluffs. Oh, there's littles in it. I hear you. I'm not gonna hurt them. Hi, littles. Where's Mama? There's Mama. Hi, Mama. Where'd you go? I can't see you. I'm not gonna hurt them. Don't worry. Okay, I'm gonna keep moving this direction and let Mama calm down. Oh, let's see. Can I see in this window? Nope. This is an awesome porch. So Mama over here says we're too close to her babies. And we need to hurry up and get out. Oh, there's no way to see in any... This is interesting. Good spot for like a little table and some chairs and just to sit and sip some tea. Look at those. Those are huge. Alright, I get down off of here. Check out. This is a hole here. Either a sinkhole or I don't think that's an entrance. That's not anything. So here we are. We're at the bottom of the hill where Engine House 6 was. And here's that little tunnel bridge thing that you can see from the top. We're gonna take a quick peek around and keep moving. So right off the bat I noticed something really cool. These stones are cut and they've got the holes drilled in them like the ones on the under the tracks up there, and there's plants growing out of the holes. That's so cute. So this is really cool. All of the stones that they used have the holes in them. That's pretty cool. Really? Ooh.
Another plaque if you guys want to stop to read that.
Alright, so let's walk over here and check this out. Check out this stone here. Wonder what the significance of that was. It looks like it may have been used for something. Ugh. Watch your footage. That's all I gotta say. Watch your footage. So it looks like this side was recently re-rocked or something. I'm gonna walk across. Real quick, look at the hump in the grass. It's pretty cool. You can definitely tell that this area is a coal area. You get the iron in the water, making it orange. There's some steps over there. I wonder what they're for. Way up on the hill there, you can see Engine House number 6. Let me zoom in for you guys. Way up there. Down the hill. Ooh. And there is a plaque up here. Let's see if I can get a good shot of the plaque. So this is a skew arch. And it is kind of watery in there, so I don't think I'm going to go all the way in. There's steps that go down into it. Oh yeah. So it is wet in there. You can see the wetness here. I'm not even going to attempt to step into it. But this is pretty cool. Look at that. Just grabbing some shots real quick. And I'm going to walk across the little area here and go to the other side and get some shots over there. Okay, so I just noticed that these rocks have the holes filled in. Well, not all of them have the holes up. Grab a quick shot. And go back up there's a plaque up here that I wanted to go check out. That's a tree. And there's, like I said, there's the engine house number 6. So the tracks would have come through here. The tracks would have come through there and gone up that way. Obviously this road wasn't here. I guess the road would have gone like that, maybe. I don't know. Well, probably. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright guys, we are done here at this awesome little bridge thing. We're gonna go on to the next stop on our way home. Stay tuned. See ya.